Our CleanLife no-rinse hair care products are specially formulated to help you obtain soft, clean, beautiful hair without using water. Watch how easy they are to use. Let's start with our no-rinse shampoo. A towel draped around the shoulders will keep clothes dry and provides quick access for the drying process. Apply shampoo directly from the bottle onto the hair and scalp until hair is completely and evenly saturated. Massage thoroughly into hair and scalp to activate the cleansing process. The cleansing process suspends any dirt and oil into the shampoo. Once the hair and scalp are completely saturated, it's time to remove the shampoo and dry your hair with the towel. It's important to begin drying with the towel while the hair remains wet. Continue towel drying as needed. Once the hair is dry, proceed with your normal brushing or styling. Following our no-rinse shampoo, and if you feel you need a conditioner, you will want to use our no-rinse conditioner. A towel draped around the shoulders will keep clothes dry and provides quick access to dry the hair. Apply conditioner directly from the bottle onto lightly towel-dried hair. Massage hair and scalp or comb through the hair thoroughly to condition. Before the hair dries, use your towel to dry and remove any excess conditioner. Brush and style to enjoy just washed, clean and fresh, beautiful, soft hair. Our no-rinse shampoo cap cleans and conditions all in one easy step. You may even warm the cap to enjoy greater comfort by briefly heating it in your microwave. Tear open the package to vent it, but leave the cap inside. Heat for 10 seconds. Microwaves may vary. Never heat for more than 15 seconds. A towel draped around the shoulders will keep clothes dry and is handy to use for the drying process. Place cap on head and massage for 15 to 20 seconds. The massaging activates the cleansing process and suspends any dirt and oil in the shampoo cap. Remove the cap and towel dry hair. Repeat towel drying as needed. Brush and style as you like to enjoy your clean, soft, freshly shampooed and conditioned hair. Hassle-free. Perfect for in-home caregivers, children who may have special needs, after a workout at the gym, or for anyone without access to water, like hikers or campers. Visit the Where to Buy section of our website to see where you may purchase online or at a local retailer near you.